President Mnangagwa is the incoming chairperson of the Southern African Development Community SADC, who will deliver a public lecture on innovation and industrialization of the region at the University of Zimbabwe on the sidelines of the regional summit to be held in Zimbabwe. Sanapena mashoko arikubuda pamusoro pe SADC Summit zvinzi president to address industrialization week as a public lecture. Not to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Not tipina mwana kwa mchenzi. Zimbabwe assumed the chairmanship of the 16-member regional bloc when it hosted the 44th SADC Summit. Ahead of the summit, the country will also host the 7th annual SADC Industrialization Week, which is expected to attract more than 150 companies from the region, running from the 28th of July to 2 August. In a post-cabinet media briefing yesterday, Information Publicity and Broadcasting Service Minister Dr. Jennifer Muswere outlined some of the major programs to be undertaken when SADC heads of state converge, including the public lecture to be presented by the President of Zimbabwe, Emmerson Mnangagwa. In preparation for the summit, he said the cabinet has approved the constitution of the technical preparatory subcommittees to cover transport, protocol, and conferencing, accommodation, entertainment, execution, security and accreditation, media and publicity, health and environment, information communication and technology, industrialization week, public lecture and finance. Sando mashuka tukona achibuda pamusoro aiwa pe the preparation at the SADC Summit. Since aiwa vachata an industrialization week ichaitwa almost 2 weeks before the summit ichaitwa mnyika ye Zimbabwe nema SADC head of states. Sachimbutu dzema funguro enyu pina comment section medu aiwa msanga no subscribe kulike, turn on the bell icon.